Today, let's talk about one of the most solid stocks in the Philippine stock market, ICTSI. I started buying ICTSI early 2025 and my position is currently up 55%. Yes, 55%. The question is, should I sell or hold? If ICTSI is currently in your portfolio or planning to buy, this video might help you think clearly before making your next move. Before we proceed, let me share this disclaimer. This content is for educational and informational purpose only and not a financial advice. I bought ICTSI for the main reason that it's a global port operator. It is present in 20 countries across 6 continents. The company's market capitalization is more than ₱1 trillion, and clearly this is one of the benchmark companies in the Philippine market. ICTSI is largely a dollar earning company. Since the US dollar has higher value than the Philippine peso, the company earning in dollars is getting more value in its investment. This company has a strong track record, with the company starting its operations in 1987 and continuously expanding. We can expect this company to be a top performer. The business of ICTSI is showing consistent growth. This means that the company is achieving a steady and sustainable increase in key performance metrics, such as revenue, customer base, and this can be extended over a period of time. This company has a resilient business model. ICTSI is organized to anticipate, adapt, and recover from disruptions such as economic downturns or environmental crises, while maintaining profitable core operations. It focuses on strategic agility, financial stability, and operational flexibility rather than just surviving. This is not a hype stock. This is not purely speculative. ICT is always in the number one most traded stock almost every day in terms of volume, which means that both local and foreign investors are betting on this stock. ICTSI is truly an exciting stock as this has been the apple of the eye of most investors. Their business is infrastructure plus global trade, which is a good blend. When I started buying the stock, my mindset is to invest long term. My plan is not about quick trade. Now that I am up 55%, of course it's tempting to profit take. And I want to be honest, I want to appreciate myself and celebrate for investing in a very profitable stock. Why should I not sell ICTSI? Here are my reasons. First, the company has a strong global presence. ICTSI operates in multiple countries. Its business is not only present in the Philippines. Their revenue streams are diversified. Number two, dollar earnings. If the Philippine peso is weak, the company reaps the benefit. ICTSI's overseas operation is a good hedge against currency risk. Thirdly, there is a high barriers on entry. This means that competitors cannot easily enter this type of business due to rigorous capitalization and government contracts. Number four, long-term growth in global trade. While there is import and export business, port services will always be necessary. And lastly, proven management. Historically, ICTSI has the ability to open businesses in emerging markets. So fundamentally, the company shows a solid business framework. But this does not mean that ICTSI is forever safe. Here are the risks I am considering at this very moment. Firstly, valuation risk. After a 55% run, the stock might be expensive relative to earnings. Next is global slowdown. If there is a slowdown in global trade, container volumes will decrease, which affects revenues. Geopolitical risk is something that needs to be considered. Ports are sensitive to political instability. These political issues is something that is beyond the control of the company. And lastly, market correction. Even strong and solid companies may fall if the stock market corrects. There is no stock that goes up forever. And this is where emotions come in. This is about greed versus discipline. Here's my honest decision. I am not fully selling, but I am considering partial profit taking. Why? Because 55% gain is already significant. Capital preservation is also important for me. I can redeploy some profits to undervalued stocks. This is my mindset. Let winners run, but secure profits strategically. Not all in, not all out, balance is the key. The 5-year stock performance of ICTSI shows a very promising trend. If we look at this chart over the past 5 years, you can clearly see a strong overall uptrend. The price continues to make higher highs and higher lows, which is one of the clearest signs of long-term strength. Even though the movement isn't a straight line up, the general direction is consistently upward. This tells us that over time, buyers have remained in control and the company has likely maintained solid fundamentals and investor confidence. Now along the way, you'll notice several minor pullbacks and short-term drops. These small lows are completely normal in any healthy uptrend. Markets move in waves. They push higher, pause, pull back, and then continue higher again. These temporary declines often shake out weaker hands and allow the stock to build momentum for a next move up. As long as those pullbacks form higher lows and overall structure remains intact, the long-term uptrend is still very much in place. Here's how I decide about a stock to invest in. I normally ask myself 3 questions. Number 1, has the business narrative changed? Is there a significant change in management leadership that could affect the overall business? Second, is it extremely overvalued? And lastly, do I need the capital elsewhere? If the fundamentals are intact, I don't panic sell. I always remind myself that long-term wealth is built by holding quality businesses. But discipline in profit-taking is also part of the strategy. If you're holding ICTSI, please comment below, time to sell or hold still. And if you like real talk investing content on Philippine stocks, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next portfolio update.